Hello everybody, here is your EVS subject teacher Dharmin sir. Welcome to my YouTube channel Achievers Academy once again, dear students. Today I will start chapter number 12, What if it finishes, part 2. Previously I have sent part 1 of this chapter. Today I will start chapter number 12, What if it finishes, exercise work. So firstly, here is the filling the blanks. Filling the blanks, here is the word different, bicycles, CNG, petrol, diesel, naturally and refinery. Here is the question. There are hardly any. Here is the blank on the highway. What you can see, there are hardly any things on the highway. Hardly we can see on the highway. Here I must be put bicycles because we are seeing everywhere bus, car, motorcycle and other vehicles, but we are hardly seeing the bicycles. So here students, you must be put bicycles. Clear? And second one, here is the blank space and also blank will not last forever. Then I must be sure, because previous video I have already discussed. Here you must be fill petrol and diesel will not last forever. And third, petrol is formed but very slow. That means petrol formed हो सकता है but very slowly. Here is the answer will naturally. Naturally ये formed हो सकता है but very slowly. Fourth, vehicles which run on give less smoke. Whose types of vehicles give less smoke? कम धुएं देने वाले व्हीकल्स कौन से होते हैं? दैट इज द CNG from by CNG which the vehicles is running, they gives us very less smoke. So here you must be fill CNG. Okay students, and last one, the rate of petrol are in each city. Here you must be fill different. The rate of petrol are different in each city. different city में पेट्रोल का जो रेट होता है वो चेंज दिखता है और चेंज रहता भी है. तो here you must be fill different. Okay students, so you must be come on another exercise question answer. I hope all of you understood. Here I will take the questions of full form of LPG. the full form of LPG and also CNG. LPG full form liquefied petroleum gas. Okay students, liquefied petroleum gas. And second, the full form of CNG, compressed natural gas. Okay, the full form of CNG and LPG. Here you can write the full form LPG, CNG. Okay students, then you must be learn here LPG, the full form of LPG. You are all of you utilizing the LPG in our kitchen as a fuel. So LPG and CNG, CNG is also fuel. This full form is compressed natural gas. Students, another topic. Two uses of kerosene. You know about this kerosene, all of you? Then what is the two uses? You must be write down two uses of the kerosene. So firstly, I will write here the for lighting, प्रकाश करने के लिए, लाइटिंग का प्रयोग करने के लिए हम केरोसिन का यूज करते हैं, isn't it? And second one, cooking. For cooking also we utilize the kerosene. Any doubt? Lighting is the one of the very common resources by the kerosene, and cooking is also, you observe and you already seen these things, cooking and lighting. Next question. Two uses of petrol. What is the two use of petrol? Firstly, transportation. Second, generate इलेक्ट्रिक एनर्जी. ट्रांसपोर्टेशन के लिए बहुत ही उपयोगी है पेट्रोल. विदाउट पेट्रोल, यूटिलाइजिंग द पेट्रोल, वी can't go hither and thither. Such a vehicles need petrol. Then petrol is a much more important resources for transportation. And generate इलेक्ट्रिक एनर्जी. इलेक्ट्रिक एनर्जी जनरेट करने के लिए भी उपयोगी होता है पेट्रोल. इज इट क्लियर? देन टू यूज ऑफ द पेट्रोल इज हियर. ट्रांसपोर्टेशन, जनरेट इलेक्ट्रिक एनर्जी. And here is another fuel used in village? What kinds of fuel used in village? Okay, definitely we are seeing here in our surroundings what kind of fuel used in village. Firstly, I would say here wood, straw, third crop waste, okay, and fourth grass, shrubs, six coal, okay, etc. These kinds of fuel used in village, but right now you can see the uses of fuel mainly LPG in also in village, okay, previously, but these kinds of uses fuel uses in the village. So wood, straw, crop waste, grass, shrubs, coal, etc. Is it clear? Here students, I will come another topic, refinery. What is the refinery? Let a place where unwanted substances removed in something such as oil and sugar and made ready to use. This is called refinery. What is the refinery? A place where unwanted substances removed in some things. Okay, some things that means किन्हीं चीज़ों से अगर हम अनवांटेड सब्सटेंसेस जो कि अनावश्यक चीज़ें होती हैं उनको हम रिमूव करते हैं, सच एज जैसे कि ऑयल, शुगर एंड मेड रेडी टू यूज़, और उसको यूज़ करने के लिए रेडी करते हैं, वो यूज़फुल होने लायक बनाते हैं उसको. इज इट क्लियर? सो दिस इज कॉल्ड रिफाइनरी. एंड here I would like to just talk about another aspect of oil refinery. Oil refinery. What is oil refinery? And oil refinery or petroleum okay transformed the crude oil okay such as diesel, petrol okay, mainly diesel, petrol, kerosene, also LPG and also you can say paraffin wax. These kinds of useful products convert by the oil refinery of this crude oil okay, oil refinery of petroleum and oil refinery or petroleum refinery here you just correct here or petroleum refinery transform the crude oil such as diesel, petrol, kerosene, LPG, paraffin, wax. All these things is very useful for us. And another things I must be here. Here is another question. World's largest refinery answer is Jamnagar refinery. And second one Paraguana refinery. And third is SK Energy okay students, world's largest refinery is firstly Jamnagar refinery and second is Paraguana refinery and SK Energy refinery. Here Jamnagar refinery produce 1,25,000 barrel per day okay, and this Paraguana is 95,000 barrel per day and here is 84,000 barrel per day producing the oil. Next question. Write the ways to save oil. Here answer is we should use public transport such as bus, train or metro train. Okay students. Second, we should use cycling on or we should walking. Here the sentence will goes we should walk by cycling or on foot. Okay, we should walk by cycling or on foot. And third one, we should switch our engine on the red signals. Okay students, we should use public transport such as bus, train or metro train. And second one, we should walk by cycling or on foot. We should switch our engine on the red signals. कई सारे लोग रेड सिग्नल्स पे भी अपने व्हीकल्स को बंद नहीं करते हैं. देन हाउ वी कैन सेव द ऑयल? देन हियर वी विल बी कॉन्सेंट्रेट आल्सो, केयरफुल आल्सो. दीज एस्पेक्ट्स if we are doing, then we can save the oil. So here I just explain the exercise, all of the exercise in your chapter number 12. Some remaining part is also there. Then I must be come soon by part 3 of this chapter. So till that you must be watch this video I hope you must be understood. So thank you so much. Have a great day. Thank you.